Joba Fit. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cars, Stents, and Class. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi the entertainer. There's something I've got to realize while working on this conversion. There's a difference between a carburetor tank and an injector tank, a VR6 tank. The only difference is there's a bracket that holds the fuel pump there on the ground of a VR6 tank. Let's go and see it. See that thing? Yeah, this thing holds the pump. It locks it in. So in this car, the pump is not the same. Because it's a carburetor, the pump is like this. It's the gauge type of pump. And it doesn't have that thing at the bottom. Me and fuel. Yeah, this car still has more fuel. Guys, what am I going to do with this fuel? So I put my hand in there, and then I started feeling if there's anything, and there's nothing for me to feel. So this tank wouldn't work with VR6. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drain this tank for now. Let me put my phone there and start working. I wanna drain it. This fuel is going into that car. I need to drive it. It's my fuel after all. I don't know how I'm gonna take it out. I don't know. Since I'm alone and I want to work, you guys are gonna have ideas of what I should do. You guys are only gonna have ideas after I'm done doing what I think is best. As you will see this video later on. So my idea is that I take this fuel out manually, pour it in something, and I'll use it on that car when the time comes. Let me get something to remove the fuel. So here's my funnel, which I'm gonna use. Now let me ha my petrol. It's my petrol. I bought it with my money. First things first, I want my petrol. First things first, I want my petrol. Doesn't matter how long this takes me, but it will be worth it in the end. I'll take my petrol. Hola. Hey. CD. Oh, Rabiem. Hey.
Solo busy.
Give me the tongue.
Ke go drinul. O swantse o swapa ditanga.
Eh.
No, o ntsha petrol ka mo.
95 here.
Oh. Ba recorda mo gane. Ke go pota mo video ya gago.
Tanga ja di tshwane.
Okay.
Tanga ya vora ina le. From perspective ya.
Recorda ntlo mo.
Eba ni busha ke eng.
Tla ba re fela battery.
Oh, ira ro wait ka side left. Pelo e nya ka selo bra ya senyang. Wena o ka no bona gale. Ke a fa ke tsile kole ya shapo.
O ga ena dimono.
Na re tsena.
Tomorrow, no, no, Venda to Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
And look, tomorrow, Rosinia and Tel Aviv. That's what we're very good at.
Nto we le music artist ba lo re ba ntse go shete before ba tuma shete ba mongware ke aka ba itre mara shete mongware ke aka go feta bu
Ke magati ke bafana ba le ga re phela re tswa mashuri le bella na le bona ba le ba di bicycle.
ska
Ke no shetse ba lwa.
Tell bro. Tell her. Most camper challenge.
but ba le ba bile a national sensation
Ba fana ba lo tlo roba record.
Ba le bona ga bo bona ke
yeah Limpopo self destructory human beings no lwa
Mana ke mo bila ar be le ngulo go le ba fiti. Re ne problem. It has nothing to do with ngulo le. We ne problem.
ana mo Mr. mo dumela na lwena. Bona a tsama ka tsela ya ka A11. Ka A11 o tsena la o tsama ka matala rutu o joina A11 ke ile ya mo kopano wena ya stay up. Ba tsamayana o na le post station substation ya Eskom.
After junction ya nto. That's the lo ya market refitting.
No, just how you jika. We are live for N11. Oh, yeah, Hale won't le family number. Do you still remember that farm?
Yes.
The guy wanna know.
Oh, what is yella next sona? Ke sokoile ka squishisha hore le bulela ba le sepele go. Aroke ka pala le mfenna go nyana ke ta spe. Da mana peitela hore na mune jela di ska thadi sanela.
Ba do bona
Me tshwarela e go.
Ba bona helicopter fofa. O bona. Mothabola ba mo rishitse ka tabelo bona. Ba nya go jada.
Me bra o jaja da mano a bereka me bra o hirile.
So da mana ga no a ka le mkhono bona lo ba khopela le nako nyana. A fufisha helicopter dima. Ya spread I didn't la spread chimu ya jela. A feta a puta lo ja ra wa bana.
She plastic.
La le tla shela ntlo ya gone
o I realize after nako e kang kang ntlo
a tse ba shwele ba dile ba tsene bola dele ka thoma o shwa ha ba thoma o shwa mongata ba re bola dikgonyi da ro re tshedi dikgonyi di a woma ke ba re ndo tsela ke khala ba re di a woma tsela di fisha diporo ba re mollo wa na muni o se diporo o serious the head of my kid ba ntshelo ba di dambe mo ba dambo sele ba batla le go tfanda
ka salemo
go khole
ka salemo ko o tsa polekela a re
go zedi
man bra we are very beautiful go get tsenyetsa
So di namune ga iseo.
oh a dire o zedilo le ba dile ga le mkholo le ba dipolotiki
wa tsona le ntongwe re ba distracted ka yona ne morago go re tswa tsona ka mogwere phela ka go o tshwana le nna gane judge I can decide gore a tsebotse ka gore le damo lela la kwa ga Madila le thomile ke our forefathers so a se damo lela ke la re na mmele wa bona ke damo vango so wena o go the fishing ke to ja re patela
Le rata ownership ban.
thank you
and you don't know how patela
with their ownership because of the push again the political system that we are in.
I know what I live now. I know what I live now about for my carry TV. I was telling you, I am free. King. What was that? You're going to benefit of the team. I'm not telling you about the mind, and I'm assuming. Don't want to vote.
Yeah, no, no, sorry to Bonabuti. You're going to have a Nkupi, Paragala, to check shelter. Nkupi, you're rappelling, just do me a favor, let's see if you are bored. The lapel come for young, it's going to involve a government, because when they come in, they will be asking, are the SABS approved in it? To get that only to a sort of a went. Va fitwa manyana ka complaints ya fever rabat
o sa tse patella the complaints di envelope ke di sa ke
aya chaba
di la le di fufa mo
aya chaba antlo Nkupa ka no tja go a ba pa lore o ithuto lo tshedi trek re mfana re tla tsana ka mo di plasing ka mo re tla ka di trek
Ya.
ba lo tsara e panta ra re kish ke reka ka 5,000 to re tsona ka ma 50 ka sere
okay re le tondiere ile yo hopotsa mama ora te ke se ke ma se fixeng
le se fixen na sa di wa de na fotile
ba tlile tra ke le ka kene tra ke re la ba tsa
why so I think
no ga hani ona sa di di pitleng yona to pela rola ka party mamma o ke bona go la nne
bro night was ni da
mamma o di
night was ni da
wa yana mo ene hona o sa thoma mo buela go pedi o tsole batho ba le because ke decision tse ba di tseleng go morago ga nako ya bona
o bona nna ne ke se mona ntwa se le bana mo
Ke to buka ke ke go fa.
o nna ka birthday e ke se ke o timer o mo le ba lore they can talk about apartheid o understand no, I don't have that experience so I'm not gonna sit here and wala la laza ka apartheid to ka re ke ho
na rona
ka re san chirela okay apartheid e bulona and then what now what are we doing about it now
When there is a matter at hand, yes, what you have a problem. What has a little wood? For what?
I don't know what I say my woman salon at least. I say Baba.
I told one of our say, I know, I'm going to go to
They know how to spend money. We're not at the age of 12 years. Ka gone o tse ba bya fase wa bontsha how to work with money. O tsibile o berekisa tšhelete o go o bereka so to do investment mo mo. Tutela bogolo ya ro. Le sang tšhelete di ro re. Ka gore a se la ga nnya tšo ra tsore. Why can't you teach bana ba tšhelete so? Tšhelete so. Mona gona ngwana sa lo monyana. I'm talking on Ampojare. Do you know what? First, one hour, we will go carry over since that, or every month, or we are just a mere 100. Now, this year, my daughter is doing a trick. Get a look. Yeah, no, Scott Trauma learning to be demon go very good.
No, I get it. What's up? Come for the long a
month. One understand. Mamilo Mana feature me 3 people. I had to column. Who no regular cologne. One understand. On regular cologne. But you know, we took on a garage to go let's save money, guys. Hey. Armaio. Pernah dom krach. Pernah dom krach. Veteran man, we are intelligent. You don't want to believe we're intelligent, who's intelligent. I'll just throw over we. What's that over we?
Guys, I can't see it in the dark now, so I'm gonna call it a day. The tank is in. The tank is in. All I need to do is to just tie the other side. It's in, and the other side is the one which is gonna pick this nozzle up. So I can't see. So everyone needs to understand. So I'm gonna call it a day, guys, today. That is all we have for this episode of Cost and Class. And I mean, that's going to be for great fun host to Nkupi the entertainer. Day 6 of converting a Jetta into a VR6, and day 6 of converting Mac the Golf into a carburetor. At least you learned now that a carburetor tank will not work on a VR6. So if you want to try this, get yourself a tank, because your car will need a different tank. Why? Because there's a certain bracket there that holds the fuel pump. If you have an alternative fuel pump, you can use it and you can keep the tank. You're going to use that fuel pump which they put in the tank, and I'm going to tell you, it's not going to be able to give your car enough power. It can only work on this car, not on this one. But anyway, that was the word of the day. I'm signing out. Peace out.